Hi, I'm Phil Anderson, and I'm running for United States Senate to represent Wisconsin. I know there's a lot of Packer fans out there watching, so I'd like to draw an analogy. Last night as you were watching the game, those of you who didn't turn it off at halftime in despair, those of you who continued to watch to the end of the game, it was quite a desperate situation at the end. It looked like your team was going to lose. I say your team because I'm not a Packer fan. It looked like your team was about to lose. The odds were against them. But all of a sudden, there's a penalty, a face mask call. And then there's this play with no time on the clock. Now, what were the odds of throwing a long bomb Hail Mary to win the game? Very, very slim. But the Green Bay Packers, to their credit, still all committed to this play. The quarterback especially, but also the linemen, the receivers, everybody did their job. They didn't look at the long odds as a reason to quit or to take half steps or to not try as hard. They still went out there and did everything they could, risking injury, gave the best of their effort in an almost hopeless situation, and still won. So I look at that, even though I'm not a Packer fan, as inspirational, because those of you out there who, like me, love liberty and understand that people are most happy, most productive when they're free to do as they choose, to live their lives, to conduct their business as they choose, to respect the rights of others. Those of us who all agree on those things understand that in the current political system, it's very difficult to win with those principles. In fact, many of the candidates in the two big parties give up on them altogether and just go along with whatever their parties want to be safe, to get elected. But many of you out there still hope against hope sometimes, hope against common sense even, to be able to win, to be able to pull one out. And what that requires is faith and effort and not giving up. Even when it seems that all the odds are against us and we're way behind, you still go out there and do your job. Still campaign, still spread the message of liberty, still go and vote, still share Facebook pictures, do whatever you need to do, still be faithful to the cause, because it's much more important than a football game. Although I know some of you out there put the Packers above almost everything else, still, our lives, our livelihood, our American society is much more important than a football game. So those of you out there who love liberty, who support libertarian values, I hope that you'll continue to do so, even down to the end where it seems like we may not win. Every effort is important, and we can win if everyone stays faithful and committed to the cause. Thanks, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.